Have you ever wondered if you could do real estate part-time? Well, absolutely. Many people do. However, working part-time in real estate presents unique challenges and opportunities compared to a full-time commitment. And understanding these differences is crucial to making informed decisions about your career path. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel so that you never miss out on expert real estate advice. I'm Kelly DeMail with DeMail Real Estate at eXp Realty, where we help people buy and sell homes throughout southeastern Minnesota. Having been in this industry for over 28 years, we know that it's tough to balance the demands of a real estate career. But then add in a second job, well, then that can be even more tricky. So let's talk about what it really means to be a part-time real estate agent. Whether you want to dedicate 5 hours a week or 35 hours, the flexibility of a real estate career allows you to tailor your schedule to your needs. And many agents begin part-time, gradually increasing their involvement as they build up their client base and their confidence. However, balancing another job and real estate requires some strategic time management, especially when you're accommodating client schedules, which often include evenings and weekends. So how do you get started in real estate part-time? The initial steps really mirror those of a full-time agent. You have to complete the required real estate courses, you have to pass the licensing exam, and you have to choose a licensed brokerage to work with. The key difference is in managing your time effectively so that you can juggle your current job, your real estate responsibilities, and your ongoing education. Utilizing tools like customer relationship management systems or CRMs can help streamline tasks and then help you also maintain those client relationships. Why would you want to be a part-time realtor? Well, financial stability is a primary reason. Real estate income can be very unpredictable. Agents are generally paid on commission when they close the transaction, so maintaining another job provides you that steady paycheck while you're establishing your real estate career. And additionally, the flexibility of part-time real estate work appeals to those with other commitments, such as raising a family or pursuing further education. Is being a part-time realtor worth it? Well, the potential income can be substantial, and according to the National Association of Realtors, the median gross income of realtors was $55,800 in 2023. So while part-time agents may earn less than their full-time counterparts, the additional income can significantly supplement a primary salary, making it really a worthwhile endeavor. So how do you manage a part-time real estate schedule? Well, flexibility and organization are going to be crucial. Being available for clients during evenings and weekends is going to be very necessary. And having a structured schedule and using planning tools can help balance your commitments. Also, setting clear expectations with clients about your availability will ensure transparency and it will really help maintain trust. Now, what are the pros and cons of doing part-time real estate? The flexibility allows you to test the waters without fully committing, and you can maintain another income source. However, scaling up your real estate business may be challenging without having that full-time commitment. Time constraints could impact your ability to serve your clients effectively, which could potentially affect your reputation and your success in the industry. How do you transition from part-time to full-time real estate? Well, careful planning is essential. If you can build a financial cushion to help cover your personal expenses during that transition period, that would really help ease some of the stress. Communicate your intentions with your broker, who can provide support and resources, and enhancing your marketing efforts through social media, networking, and artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT can really help generate leads that build your client base. Now, is there a reason not to be a part-time real estate agent? Well, part-time real estate isn't for everyone. If you struggle with time management or you feel divided already between two demanding jobs, it may be challenging to serve your clients effectively. And some find that a full-time commitment is necessary to achieve their career goals and provide the level of service that clients expect. So if you'd like to know more about doing real estate part-time, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. And please follow us on all of our socials. And if you have any questions or comments, put those down below. We love to hear from everybody. And if you especially liked this video, please hit the like button, and you can click on the boxes on your screen here to watch any of our other videos. I'm Kelly DeMail with DeMail Real Estate. We love what we do, and we want you to love what you do too. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.